I chose Socrative because it allows me to track student learning in a whole group format. This could be used in any content area, but I would use it for math. I could use this in both my special education classroom and when co-teaching in the general education classroom. The objective of using Socrative would be to track student progress when completing math. My intended audience would be the special education and general education students I work with. When I have previously done math quizzes, we have done paper pencil, and although I wouldn't want to give that up entirely as it helps me to see where students are making mistakes, I think this would be a convenient way to quickly see what students are grasping the concept and which students are struggling. The first ISTE standard for education leaders that I chose was 2C, which states evaluate progress on the strategic plan, make course corrections, measure impact, and scale effective approaches for using technology to transform learning. I chose the standard because Socrative allows us to evaluate progress and make corrections to our instruction. The second standard I chose was 3E, which states develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time. I chose this standard because Socrative allows us to personalize assessments for students and see their progress in real time. So I will just give you a quick overview of what I've done so far in Socrative. So the first step would be to create an account, which I've already done. And then I wanted to do a quiz. So I went here to quizzes and click add quiz. And you could create new or you could import your own. I created a new one. I made mine a multiple choice quiz, but you could choose true, false, or short answer. Another thing that I really liked is that you can align the quiz to a standard. So I could choose my math. I found the Kansas standard that aligned with what I was trying to teach at the time. So I will show just quickly the quiz that I had made. So it aligns with, we're adding and subtracting in the thousands. So I just created one quick addition problem. I chose which one was correct, and then I can go back, once I've saved and exited, I can go back here to my launch, and I can launch the quiz for my class. And then I can choose instant feedback, open navigation, or teacher paste. I chose instant feedback so that they can immediately get a response as they work through the quiz. And then I like here that it's going to show me the results as they're happening. So I can I don't have to wait until everyone's finished to see how students are doing. So if someone maybe rushed through it, I could quickly see if they rushed and maybe didn't do as well, and maybe I need to go have that conversation and talk about, next time. So then when we finish the quiz, I can then export my data and kind of track it that way. And so it makes it really convenient to gather data for your students. So I think this will be something that would be very effective when doing my math instruction.